Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less, is a book by Greg McKeown that was first published in 2014. The book provides a framework for living a more focused and fulfilling life by pursuing less and doing less, but better. The central premise of the book is that in today's fast-paced world, people are constantly pulled in multiple directions and are expected to do more with less time. This leads to a feeling of being overwhelmed and leads to a lack of focus. McKeown argues that essentialism is a way of cutting through the clutter and focusing on what is truly important, both in our personal and professional lives. The book provides practical advice on how to live an essentialist life, including how to identify what is essential, how to eliminate the non-essential, and how to make essential choices in a world of endless demands. McKeown also addresses common obstacles to essentialism and provides strategies for overcoming them. Overall, Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less, provides a compelling case for simplifying one's life and focusing on what is truly important. The book has received positive reviews and has been praised for its practical and actionable advice on how to live a more focused and fulfilling life. Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less, by Greg McKeown is a guide for simplifying one's life and focusing on what is truly important. Here are some of the key lessons from the book. The Way of the Essentialist. The book introduces the concept of essentialism, which is about doing less, but better, in order to achieve a more fulfilling and focused life. Identifying the essential. McKeown provides guidance on how to identify what is truly essential in one's life, and how to eliminate the non-essential. Eliminating the non-essential. The book provides practical advice on how to say no to distractions and non-essential activities, and how to prioritize what is truly important. Choosing the right thing. McKeown explains how to make essential choices in a world of endless demands, and how to avoid the trap of constantly trying to do more. Overcoming obstacles. The book addresses common obstacles to essentialism, such as societal pressure to do more and the fear of missing out, and provides strategies for overcoming them. Achieving clarity. Essentialism helps individuals achieve clarity about what is truly important and provides a roadmap for simplifying one's life and focusing on what matters most. Living a fulfilling life. McKeown argues that essentialism leads to a more focused and fulfilling life, as individuals are able to prioritize what is truly important and achieve their goals with greater ease. These are some of the key lessons from Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less. The book provides a compelling argument for simplifying one's life and focusing on what is truly important, and provides practical guidance on how to do so. Embracing quality over quantity. Essentialism emphasizes the importance of focusing on quality over quantity, and encourages individuals to pursue excellence in a few areas of their lives rather than mediocrity in many. Living with intention. The book stresses the importance of living with intention and making choices that align with one's values and goals. Embracing the power of no. Essentialism teaches the power of saying no to distractions and non-essential activities, and the importance of protecting one's time and focus. Understanding trade-offs. Essentialism requires making trade-offs and prioritizing what is truly important. McKeown provides guidance on how to make these choices in a deliberate and disciplined way. Embracing simplicity. Essentialism embraces simplicity as a way of life and encourages individuals to eliminate clutter and focus on what is truly important. Balancing work and life. The book provides advice on how to balance work and personal life in a way that aligns with one's values and goals. These are some of the key lessons from Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less, that offer practical and actionable guidance on how to live a more focused and fulfilling life by pursuing less and doing less, but better. The book has received positive reviews and has been praised for its practical and inspiring advice on how to simplify one's life and focus on what truly matters. Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less, by Greg McKeown is a book filled with practical and inspiring advice on how to simplify one's life and focus on what is truly important. Here are some of the most memorable quotes from the book. Essentialism is not about how to get more things done, it's about how to get the right things done. The way of the essentialist means living by design, not by default. The way of the essentialist involves doing less, but better, so we can achieve our highest potential. Essentialism is a disciplined, systematic approach for determining where our highest point of contribution lies, then making execution of those things almost effortless. The essentialist accepts trade-offs, which means deliberately choosing to do less in order to do more of what truly matters. The essentialist does not find meaning by simply accumulating more things. Instead, meaning is found by focusing on the essentials and disregarding the rest. Essentialism is not about renunciation, self-denial, or sacrificing everything you love. It's about making the wisest possible investment of your time and energy in order to operate at your highest point of contribution. These quotes provide a glimpse into the principles of essentialism, which is about pursuing less and doing less, but better, in order to live a more focused and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. For purchasing the book, the link is in the comment section for your convenience.